Hey guys, Shane here today with SWICKtech, and I want to show you a little bit about Microsoft Teams and a polling app called Polly. Polly is a tab that you can add to Microsoft Teams, and it's a really cool feature where you can quickly send out polls or surveys to your team to get their quick reaction on a question you might have, or to schedule a meeting, anything like that. So let's dive in here. I've got Teams open, and you'll see I'm on a specific team and in a specific channel. We've already added Polly to the team up here across the tabs, and you can do that by pressing this plus button. If you don't have it already, you'll see it's one of the tabs recommended for your team, so you can add it there. But once you've already got it added in here, you can actually just poll the channel. And so I'll show you real quick. I'm going to call out to everybody to answer my polls so they know that these are coming. That's another really cool feature you can do in Microsoft Teams. You can @, an entire team, and they'll get a notification. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and @ the Polly, so @POLLY, and you'll see it pull up there real quick. And then once I've selected it, you can go ahead and you can choose to create an advanced poll, or you can just post a quick question here with a few answers and then send it into the team. It's going to take a couple of seconds here, and you'll see it'll generate a poll. So I'll get a notice in the corner, and it'll pop up with that poll there. You'll see the question, who created it, a couple other details about the poll that are just standard. So it's an open poll, non-anonymous, so you're going to see the responses people post. So you'll see them as they come in here. People are already responding. I can go ahead and respond myself if I want. And then I'm going to show you another quick way to create a poll. So that's the easy, quick and dirty way, but you can also do more of an advanced solution. So if you go ahead and click on Polly up across the top, you'll see this load our active surveys within this general channel. And you can go ahead and up in the right hand corner, you'll have a create button. And so we'll go ahead and click create. You can switch this from a poll to a survey if you have multiple questions. You can adjust the audience to different channels within this team. You can set it to poll now or later. We'll do now for the sake of this video so people can respond and you can see how this works. Question type you can change, so we'll say on a scale of 1 to 5. And I'm going to enter my question here real quick. 1 to 5. Do you enjoy using Teams working remotely? All right, so you'll see there's a couple other options. You can let people comment on this post so they can share their thoughts. You can adjust it if people see the results in real time, or if it's something that maybe you want to not share with everyone up front, but you want everyone to vote, and then later you'll tell the results, or you'll schedule the meeting, etc. You can set it to anonymous or non-anonymous. It's really your preference. So we're going to go ahead and preview this, so we'll get a quick view of what our question and the poll in general is going to look like. You'll see it's got those same settings and everything that we chose. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. That's going to post it right into that general channel. And so you'll see if I go back to the post page, there it is. It's been posted. And it looks like a few more people responded to my original poll. And we'll see as I respond to this one, I'm going to say I love using Teams, because you know here at SWICKtech we all do. And I'm going to submit that vote. And that's really all that's to it. It's super simple, quick way to poll your team, get answers to maybe an immediate question you have for everybody, or schedule out a meeting, all kinds of tools you can use it for. So that's all we've got for you today. Stop back and check out more videos about cool tips and tricks from Teams soon. Thanks.